Welcome to another episode of the Huge Podcast. The Huge Podcast, and I told you I was off.
Welcome to the prelims of the Huge Upside Live. Where are we? Are we in Facebook or?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay,
We
we're
are
live
in
here.
Facebook. We're live.
We are live here in Facebook, everyone. It's good to see you guys. This is our first episode live. This is the prelims of before the main event. So, what's up, man? Let's talk about shit. Let's talk about everything. I haven't seen you for a long time. I haven't
Man,
seen
I
you
miss
for.
you. I miss you,
miss you,
man.
dude. Man, your beard game is like
I know.
it grows fast.
My wife's asking me to cut it off already, but I just can't, man. I look like a baby. I look a kid. I regress so much when these things goes off. Anyway,
Regress in
man.
what way? Regress in what way?
Regress like the face, man. Like time rewinds, you know? Like I literally look like a baby. Really seriously.
Like baby, or like a, or you mean like a kid baby?
Kid baby. How's it been?
Isn't that a good thing? Or it's like most old people want to look young. Most young people want to look old. So where is the midpoint here? Like where is the middle ground?
For me personally, I need to sport the beard because when I take it off, again, like I look like a kid, right? And plus, add that on top of my kid personality, I become so immature, like, you know, the face to go with it, and then the personality to go with it. That's why I need some balance. I need to keep the beard. You know?
Okay, so let me see if I have this right. So you pretend, no, not pretend. You want to look old because you're
Yes.
immature when you act.
Yep, that's the thing. So
Nice.
I kind of need to have a balance because I'm kind of immature. So that's why I need these physical attributes to go with it. And then
So it bothers
people,
you.
Kinda, because that's always been my upbringing growing up. People always say like I don't act my age. So yeah, I get that a lot. It got to a point where it was annoying, but you know, once I started sporting the beard, I got some respect. Respect the beard.
It's the beard game. Like you're dude, I wish I could grow a beard. That's all I wish.
Why not?
I can't. This is the max I could do.
Do you think it's genetic
It's
genetics
genetics.
though? Genetics.
I tried. There was a time when I was so insecure. Actually, still now, but it's okay.
It's a big deal.
I got minoxidil. Familiar with the minoxidil?
No.
I
Tell
got
me about it.
It's just like this medicine like you put in your ear and like it
Really?
makes the hair grow like more.
Right.
Yeah, I keep applying here. It did multiply. I started with like 2. Now it's like 20-ish.
You keep but the trick is you just have to keep trimming it. Keep shaving it off.
Yeah.
You know those? It's like a hydra. You know, like you as soon as you slowly cut them off, like
Yeah.
2 comes out to replace it. You know, but for me, like I always thought like my style was I kind of noticed like when I'm stressed, they grow fast.
Probably
It's not from wisdom, man. This is from stress, bro.
from hormones.
Probably, yeah. I mean,
So
probably
that's a
some-
lot of testosterone, dude. It's a lot of
Maybe.
testosterone,
Not
dude. You got like super testosterone in you, man. You're
that's why.
maybe
that's
you've
why,
been
man.
juicing up.
No, I don't have access to that stuff. Like, I even just got back to like working out yesterday. I went to the parks close here, like just body weight workouts. I can barely do like a headstand anymore. Even push-ups, my wrists still hurt. I'm out of shape, man. Like I think I gained like 100 kg, and I think
Too
I'm
much.
about to
Crazy.
take my shirt off on that that 90-day challenge, right? Like, oh, I can't remember. That thing haunts me till this day. Like, yeah, I'm gonna do it in one of these episodes because yeah, I admit I lost on that one. So how about you, man? How is your workout routine? How's your
It
routine?
went down ever since like I've been attending the seminars and class, and I've been this past few weeks ever since the start of the seminar, man. I wanna give kudos to to this seminar because it taught me a lot, and it made me realize that how important or how blessed I am in my situation. Like
Yeah,
I realized that me having this um opportunity to sell this product that I have, uh, it's a gift because other people, other classmates that I have, don't even have the idea on what to sell yet, and they're already like on
really.
the advancing in their age. So like, I already have the product and I don't have the passion. And I realized,
Don't have the passion. Get out of here.
no, no, no. Before, like, dude, I
Oh,
what
it died. It died.
it died during the pandemic, dude. It died. I was suppressing it. I was suppressing it really hard.
Really.
Yeah, that's why I keep working out. Remember, my focus
Yeah,
was the
yeah, yeah.
workout. My focus,
And the
my focus,
podcast.
and the podcast. I didn't care about the.
Yeah.
I didn't care about the. And it's not that I didn't care. It's just like every time if there's a issue regarding the I have to fix, I just like, uh, kabalo na mo na. You could do that. Yeah. I just like pass it out. But then the fire grew back. The fire burned much intense when I was able to have mentors who guided me, who gave me
It's nice to
advice.
have mentors, right?
Yeah, I never knew that, dude. Like I never knew like was like having a mentor could really like
Up
influence
your
you.
game. Up your game
Yes,
in all things.
and
Like a
all
coach.
and they will always bring you to your place. Like
Really.
okay, they will you will know what where your stance is. Like okay.
That's why I like to keep you around, man. I like to think you as my mentor, because just face it, like I'm a loose cannon here. Like I'm a rabid dog. I need some taming. Like I'm so raw. I need someone to put me in perspective sometimes. Well, you get people in your ear telling you to do this and that, but it's nice if it's coming from someone who's a co-host and who also part of the huge upside.
Ah, thanks, man.
Thanks, bro.
I think
Thanks.
I found my calling, and I think I found not my calling, just whatever. I just
Whatever you
found like
call it.
whatever you call it. I just found like it's part of the values that we're trying to like part of the values that we're trying to build here in the HU, right? Like encourage, be a blessing to others, and yeah, we try to embrace the roles, not just the words. We just don't say the words. We try to embrace
Yeah.
it. That
Live it, breathe it.
and be consistent about it, man. We have
That
to be.
consistency thing, though, that's the toughest, man.
It's tough,
It's
man.
tough.
But
It's really tough.
consistency doesn't have to be always in workout. It could be. It could be. If
Yeah.
But it could be in different aspects. Well, you could be consistent by reading one chapter of book a day, consistent
Yeah.
in spending 2 hours of focused time on work, just consistent as long as you don't burn out. Me, I'm right now with all the things that I'm handling. Think I'm about to burn out. I
Yeah, I
can
get
feel
it.
it. I
I
can
get
feel
it.
it. But
Yes,
it's
you
okay.
are.
But I could see it. It's just part
Me
of the.
too.
It's just
Me too.
part of
Like,
the.
I feel burned out by my situation. Like, for anyone who's listening right now, I'm the first one to admit, like,
Wait, is
I'm so
do
immature, right?
do we know if someone is listening or watching us right now? Can we?
Who cares?
No,
Yeah,
let's just.
yeah, we do. Yeah, we do. Right
It's just
now,
us.
zero. It's just us.
Nice. No one's watching.
Yeah, yeah, I
Haven't
know.
touched
So,
yet.
but people can rewind. Like, man, I'll
Nah,
just for anyone who's listening right now, like, I have been burned out and stressed out with my current situation here because I'm a bit stranded here in the UIE. Yeah, we got two watchers now. Oh my God, who could this be? So I am a bit stressed out and burned out by my situation because I was so immature to be have left. I mean, I was left behind in my flight. I missed it. Like,
why were you
so.
drunk?
No, what the hell? I'm sober, dude. I
I
don't
know.
know.
Like, what could be the reason why you
I think I was too relaxed. I was zen like relaxed, like no urgency at all. It's like, I know, right? Like, And I'm on OFW, man. These are things that I am accustomed to, but damn, I don't know. I just relaxed, and when I got there, it was like a huge wake up call, like wake up, and then it was too late. Shout out to PJ though, and Kuya Doyle. Thank you for watching the
Shout out.
live and for dropping in the comment section. We noticed you guys on the comment section. Thank you
Yes.
by the way.
Thank you, Sir Doyle and Sir Julian. Which I've been seeing stories from this guy. Respect that
Really
guy. Yeah,
respect,
dude. Like
right?
I messaged him like
And yeah,
I messaged him like I messaged him. Nice guy, Jules. That's all I'm saying, man.
and I want to give a shout out to that guy. He has my back, man, through and through. That's our brother right there,
Yes, that's a
PJ.
true
If you're
guy.
listening, if you're watching and listening to this right now, I know you helped me big time, bro. Katong na biyaan sa kong flight, but man, thank you. I appreciate that so much, man. You're a brother for life.
Brother for life.
And bro, we are not just going to be talking by ourselves here.
Oh,
We
yeah,
are
but yeah.
also going to, yeah, we do, man.
Is this a show? Is this a legit show? Okay.
It is. It is. And our platform's been like that recently, right? We try to be so much, I mean, we try to be so many things, but what we want to do is just we see the potential in everyone and the value they can bring on this platform, and we can learn from so much from them, the lessons they bring. We hope to welcome someone today. She is from music scene. She just recently signed under Melt Records, and we're just going to uh,
It's the Melt Records.
Melt
The
Records. We're in
streak. The streak we
yes,
have
this
from Melt
streak,
Records.
man. We're
We
on a
love Melt
meltdown.
Records. Shout out
Yes.
from Melt Records, man. We love the artist. We love what you're doing. Respect.
Respect, and thank you for lending us your artists. And without further ado, we're gonna welcome someone right now. But first things first, let's play that song of hers before we let her in. As a matter of fact, no, I don't have it anymore. Let's just welcome her.
Love our videos? Please click the like button or hit subscribe. This is the huge upside.